Flow, 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 flow. All right, got that flow permanent. I don't know if y'all familiar with this product or with this company. I had the first enhancement by them. See if I still got it. I don't. But I had the first regular enhancement product they had. I think I had the Jet Black. It was far and away better than anything that I had at the time. I like Tune 45 as well. I got a video dropping the battle of the enhancements coming soon. But other than that, let's get into this flow permanent. I don't know where the industry is going when it comes to enhancements. I don't know if they can make any more leeway or there can be anything done to top what these guys are putting out currently. But Flow is trying to do so. I got some pros, I got some cons, and like I always do, I got a short video of showing you guys what I did with this product. I did my best to follow the instructions and do the things best to my ability. I think it turned out pretty good, and you guys will see at the end. They saying this product is a game changer. It can add $500 to $1,000 to your weekly income as a barber, and we're gonna put it to the test. I don't know if that's true or not, but we're gonna put it to the test. By charging or upcharge for this enhancement that lasts longer, that's waterproof. You can sweat, you can run, you can swim, you can do whatever, and you still gonna have your lineup when you're done. I tried it out. My first time trying it out was on myself. You know what I'm saying? I still got my boxes, you know what I'm saying? I sprayed it on there, but I didn't let it sit for 30 minutes. The instructions say wait 40 minutes until the product is dry before you let water touch it. We did that. We got pretty good results. How does it spray? It sprays great. It lays nice. It lays just like any other product that you would put in the air gun. I do got the baddest air gun in the game too. I got a video coming out on this thing. I'll be dropping a review on this soon. Anyways, but it lays pretty good, smooth, and we let it sit for 40 minutes. Then we use the flex foam. I need another. This thing need a review on its own. Great product. If you one of those guys that use the shaving cream on the lineup before in a hot towel before you line them up, this could be a great substitute for that. Anyways, it laid good. We put it down there. We let it sit for 40 minutes. We put the flex foam on it, brushed it, put the hot towel on it, pop, laid it down with some more mousse, relined him up, and it was pretty good. It turned out nice. Of course, I'm gonna need a couple more rounds of learning the product and learning what the ins and outs of it, the wait times, or how to blend it on the boxes when you got a fade, how to spray it and blend it a little bit better. But for the most part, it turned out pretty good. I'm happy with the product. Is it something that I see myself using as an upcharge? I don't know. Just because of the wait time, the 40-minute wait time. If I can get a client in my chair, line them up, as soon as they get in the chair, then spray it on them at the beginning, and then while I'm fading and doing everything else, because I don't see myself being able to fade, line them up, spray this at the end, then wait 40 minutes. I don't see myself having that type of time. But if I can get them in the chair, line them up real quick, get them a rough draft lineup, and then go ahead and spray this on, and while I'm fading and doing everything else, it's sitting on there. Maybe so. It may be a way for me to master my timing and play with the timing and everything like that, because I just don't see myself being able to fade it, line it up, then spray this on there and wait 40 minutes. It's just too much time. But do I see myself using this product? I think that I will use this product because it works. It delivers on what it says it does. And for people that like to have, enhanced beards or enhanced lineups, and they don't have to worry about sweating, swimming, running, whatever the case may be. Even though a lot of other products are already waterproof, this is a permanent, so it's kind of almost like life proof almost in a way. So um, I'm gonna let y'all guys check it out, see what I did with it, see if you guys like it. Hit me up and let me know if you like it. Comment. I can give you some pointers, or you can give me some pointers, and let's keep pushing. All right, this is my canvas. This is what I'm working with. I'm gonna clean the surface, get the scalp clean, brush it in real good with the flex foam. All right, now I'm gonna line them up real quick, give them a quick little rough draft so I can see what I'm working with. And as you can see, that flex foam, man, it makes the skin real nice and dry, so you get those nice ash lines. Connecting those vertical bars, just connecting it straight across his forehead as much as I can. All right, now I got the flex foam permanent. They come in this, came with this mixture, this mixing bottle, and it's 1-to-1. So I'm gonna fill it up to the 2, all the way to the 2 with the clear solution. It's a 2-part dye, so I'm going with the clear solution first, and I'm gonna come back with the pigment. To the 4, and I'm shaking it up real good, put it in my airbrush, and we're gonna go from there. Now my client got a lot of light spots, especially toward the middle of his head, and we just gonna go for it. We're gonna fill all that in with it. We're gonna see what this product can do. How much can it fill up, and how much can it how much area can it tint. So I'm going all the way back to the back of his head. I'm hitting them corners again, going all the way around as much as I can. Now I'm gonna hit the other side. Get the middle. Just laying it on thick right now, just making sure it's nice. All right, this is how I look after about 10-15 minutes. It's looking pretty good. Now I waited my 40 minutes, and I'm about to brush it out. I put the flex foam back on there again and continue to brush it out, brush as much of it out as I can before I put the hot towel on, and clean that area off. Just remove all that excess dye. I'm gonna reline him up. Now this product is kind of shiny, so I might have to put some fibers on top, man, but for filling in those spots and laying down nice, it did a great job.